Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use Kissflow as a beginner. So this will be a short discussion. Kissflow is an automation software that can help you to automate your daily work, task and target it. So you can actually add here some task and target it. Here you can see that can actually give you a perfect overview just like this, and it can actually increase your productivity and you can customize your dashboard as you want. Also, you can install some connections with all their other systems, like you can connect your MailChimp, your Gmail, Dropbox, Slack and other systems or other softwares here. Then you can actually get some perfect insights about your progress, and here you can see you have to just go to the kissflow.com where you can find the platform overview, where you can find the platform, and they will say why you should use the Kissflow and low code platform, no code platform you get from here. And here is some resources that you can go with, like you can find some resources like some reports here you can go with, and some blogs that you can read about and know more about Kissflow from here. So from here you can find the get started button here, so simply click on get started. So you can simply add your name from here, you can add your business email and you can add your phone number. Then you can simply get the perfect overview. Here is the workflow management. You can find the workflow management where you can actually manage your workflow. So you can add some tasks. So I have already shown you how you can actually do it. So you can actually add some tasks and you can actually add some automations, and you can create some forms, workflow, and you can give the permission between the workers how they can work. So here is a view of workflow, how it look like. So you can also get the suggestion from the AI. So AI also help you to create a perfect and powerful workflow for you. So here you can see building apps with Fusion Teams. So you can here you can see it is good for the IT leaders, developers, the process owner or business users. So if you are one of them, then you should go with this. So from here, if you simply click on get started, it will also ask for create a new account from here. So you don't need to do anything. You have to enter your full name, the business email. Make sure that the email is business email, not the regular email or personal email. Then you can simply click on this button here, drop down button here, where you can actually select your country code. Then you can enter your phone number. Then you can simply click on get started, and you can find a clean dashboard where you can start customizing your dashboard, your workflow, your task and daily target according to yourself. So that's pretty much all thing. If you want a detailed discussion about Kissflow, then let us know in the comments below. We will help you and we will get back to you soon with another this Kissflow details video. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.